Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Make your mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Shamrock Brownies. Today I'm going to be trying the Pillsbury Zero Sugar Brownie Mix. The ingredients that you're going to need today are 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of water, 1 egg. You're also going to need a Shamrock cookie cutter and also some green sprinkles. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is add your eggs into a small bowl. You want to add your water and also your vegetable oil. And all we're going to do is whisk that until it's well combined. Okay guys, once you're done with that, all you want to do is grab a large bowl. You want to go ahead and empty your brownie mix into it. Then all we're going to do is pour our mixture in, and we're just going to mix that until it's well combined. Okay guys, once your brownie mix is well combined, you want to heat your oven to 350 degrees. I have a 9x9 pan, and all I'm going to do is spray it with a butter flavored non-stick cooking spray. Once you have your pan well coated, all we're going to do is go ahead and add in our brownie mix. Okay guys, now once you have your brownie in your pan, we're going to put it in our oven at 350 degrees for 26 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, it's been about 10 minutes of the baking time, so all I did was pulled out our brownies, and I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle some of the jimmies on. The sprinkles. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put it back in the oven. Okay guys, it's been 26 minutes. Our brownies are now done. All I'm going to do is let them cool off for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then we're going to go in with our cookie cutter and make our shamrocks. Okay guys, all I did was put the brownie onto a piece of parchment paper. Now all we're going to do is take our shamrock cookie cutter, and we're going to just press down. And you're going to make as many as you can. Okay guys, so here we have it, our shamrock brownies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.